This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking 1 to 2 core AI tools that match your goals, then sign in and enable API or integration access. Once done, create 3 short sample prompts for each tool, task, constraints, and output format, because concrete prompts speed learning. Next, collect representative inputs and expected outputs into a single template folder, and name files consistently. Make sure to test a simple end-to-end. Prompt now so you confirm connectivity and baseline results before scaling. Now you construct modular prompts in 2 to 3 variations, then run them against a sample set. Once you see outputs, add a verification step to check accuracy and format automatically. Use chaining, prepare data, call AI, validate results, and refine prompts based on failures. Integrate small scripts or low-code automations to handle repetitive conversions or routing. As you iterate, track metrics like time saved and accuracy, so you can prioritize which automations to expand next. To finish, deploy first to a staging environment and run 10 to 20 real cases. Once stable, release to production and monitor accuracy, latency, and cost per run. Make sure to add logging and alerts so you see regressions quickly. If outputs drift or hallucinate, roll back, isolate failing prompts, and add tighter constraints or verification rules. Alternatively, introduce guardrails or small fine-tunes. A single troubleshooting tip. When things break, simplify the prompt to the smallest reproducible example and fix that before broad changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.